Hello students, welcome back to class 11 chemistry video lecture. I am Mukesh Banani as chemistry teacher from Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. I hope you all are doing well at home. Today we will start with chapter number 2, that is structure of atom. Let's start. Atom is smallest individual particle of matter. Atom is made up of electron, proton and neutron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, but proton was discovered by Goldstein and neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Nature of charge present on electron is negative, but proton is positive, but neutron has no charge. Amount of charge present on electron and proton are 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, but mass of proton and neutron are 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Electrons were discovered using cathode ray discharge tube experiment and nucleus was discovered by Rutherford. Properties of electromagnetic radiation. Oscillating electric and magnetic field are produced by oscillating charged particle. These fields are perpendicular to each other and both are perpendicular to direction of propagation of the wave. They do not need a medium to travel. That means they can even travel in vacuum. Characteristics of electromagnetic radiation. Wavelength. It may be defined as the distance between two neighboring crest or trough of wave as shown. It is denoted by lambda. Frequency nu. It may be defined as the number of waves which pass through a particular point in 1 second. Velocity v. It is defined as the distance traveled by a wave in 1 second. In vacuum, all types of electromagnetic radiation travel with the same velocity. Its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It is denoted by v. Wave number nu bar is defined as the number of wavelength per unit length. It means nu bar equal to 1 upon lambda and velocity equal to frequency into wavelength. It means c equal to nu lambda. Planck quantum theory. The radiant energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in the form of a small discrete packet of energy called quantum. In case of light, the quantum of energy is called photon. The energy of each quantum is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation, that is E is directly proportional to nu or E equal to h nu. Here small h equal to Planck constant equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 joule second. Bohr model for hydrogen atom. An electron in the hydrogen atom can move around the nucleus in circular path of fixed radius and energy. These paths are called orbit or energy level. These orbits are arranged concentrically around the nucleus. As long as the electron remains in the particular orbit, it does not lose or gain energy, and its energy remains constant. When transition occur between two stationary states, they differ in energy. The frequency of radiation absorbed or emitted can be calculated nu equal to delta E upon small h. An electron can move only in those orbits for which its angular momentum is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, that is mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi. Here n equal to 1, 2, 3 dash dash. The radius of the nth orbit is given by r equal to 52.9 picometer into n square upon capital Z. Here 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Energy of electron in nth orbit is E equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 z square upon small n square joule. And similarly, velocity of electron in nth orbit is v equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power 8 capital Z upon small n centimeter per second. When a white light is passed through a prism, it split into a series of color band known as spectrum. Spectrum is of two types, continuous and line spectrum. The spectrum which consists of all the wavelength is called continuous spectrum, but a spectrum in which only specific wavelength are present is called line spectrum. It has bright line with dark spaces between them. Spectral line for atomic hydrogen. Rydberg equation nu bar equal to 109,677 into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square centimeter inverse. Here n1 equal to lower energy level and n2 equal to higher energy level. For Lyman series, n1 value is always 1, but n2 value are varies from 2, 3, 4. For Balmer series, n1 value is always 2, but n2 value are varies from 3, 4, 5. For Paschen series, n1 value is always 3, but n2 value are vary from 4, 5. For Bracket series, n1 value is always 4, but n2 values are varies from 5, 6, 7. And last, Fund series, n1 value is always 5, but n2 value are varies from 6, 7, 8. Hope you are understood very well. So I will suggest you that go through this chapter by NCERT book. Okay. Thank you students. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.